Hello everybody, it's Naomi. Yes, it's another video in English, mostly because my lovely friends don't understand Polish. So yeah, I know I'm not looking the best, but I'm gonna make a cake. My tics aren't really bad, but let's see. I haven't baked anything with bad tics, so if they're gonna be bad, then we'll see. Because I don't have Tourette's syndrome apparently, but that was a misdiagnosis. But people with Tourette's or just tics in general, it's quite interesting when they bake or cook anything. Okay, so I already have eggs in this. I can't, because it's better like this. My mom did that for me. And now we need sugar, watermelon. Oh gosh, I'm hot. Watermelon. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Basically, now I'm just gonna, ouch. Sorry, I can't have, okay. Oh no. No, that's not half, is it? No, it's not. Gosh! It's not. Yeah, we can say it's half, isn't it? Now do you think I can put it back in? I'll do that. I don't know. So now let's just put that in. Shush. Okay. I almost sponged myself. That's not good. Oh yeah. Okay. So now let's just mix the eggs and sugar. 5 minutes. Okay, let's make it gay. I don't understand. Shush. Okay, I think it's done. What am I supposed to do with this? Almost. Oh my goodness. No, like, I love baking. Although, with tics, it can be quite hard. A bit of oil. How much? Lots. No, not lots. This is not helpful. It seriously can't be too much. Mix again. Mixy. A little bit of lemon. Oh, I could have, oh, fine. A bit of lemon. Put this, no. I really don't want to make a mess. Don't make a mess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. No, I love lemon. I drink lemon, like lemon juice, on a daily basis. People are scared of me. Okay, and now mix it again. I'm done with your shit. a little bit of flour. No, not little bit. That's my dog. No. Oh. Yeah, that's me. Flour. Flour is challenging. 1 glass. Do you know what? We're good. We're good. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, that's what. Don't blow it. Come on, this is not funny. Not funny. Do you think? No, it's not. Not enough, not enough. Oh, not enough? No, I think that's enough. What am I doing? And now we're gay? Yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to go there. That was so violent. A little bit of cocaine? No. A little bit of cocaine. I love cocaine. It's gonna get me in trouble someday. A little bit of cocaine. I've got drugs in my bag. Do you think? I think that... Not spilled it. This is so satisfying. Don't blow it. Yeah, that's why I covered my mouth. Beep beep. Lots of drugs. Now we're supposed to... Hello there, are you gay? What was that supposed to mean? It's drugs. No. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Woo! Oh no! Okay. Jobby, 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 job, job, job. Job, job, job. I'm not doing good. I'm not. Okay. Let's just be gay. My parents are not going to be happy. Sorry, but okay. A little bit of mess. Is in it. You don't see it, but it's quite messy. Flour is everywhere. And now you're gay. Now let's just mix it like this. Mixy bixy. Chip, 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 chip. No. No, but the flour is even here. Like, maybe I'll just put it here. Yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. I think... Oh no! I'm forgotten about the oven. Oh yeah, and now this part is done. Oh, so much flour. You don't want to see it. You don't want to see it. Now we're gonna need this. Could you not? Could you not, please? It was here, wasn't it? So I'm just gonna... What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do with this? Ooh. No, I need a bit more of drugs. I've got drugs in my bag. I've got drugs in my bag. Beep beep. I think. Don't. I didn't lick it. What am I supposed to do? I know. What am I supposed to do? I love baking carrot cake. I love eating carrot cake, but it's a little bit easier than this cake, so even with ticks, it's not that hard. And this one is a little bit harder, to be honest. A bit of flour. Not flour again. Okay. What am I supposed to do? And just like that, I just need more. A bit more. A bit more. Are you done? No. Beep beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Do you think it's done? And now a bit more of drugs. I know you love drugs. You look like it. Bakey makey. Baking has been my hobby since I was 10, or maybe younger. Maybe yeah, 8 or 9, and I'm 16, so that's at least 8 years. I just managed, you know, to focus, and when you focus, you don't really have tics. Plus, when you do something you love, you also don't really have tics. Can I leave it like this? Hopefully. So that's stressful. It has to be good. If it won't be good, I'll be in trouble. Oh God. I'm nervous now. It was not supposed to be like that. Oh no, something. 40 minutes. Are you done? Yeah. Okay, so now the oven is ready. I better not touch it. Please work out. And I think that would be all. Yeah, I'll be back when this guy is ready. It's almost done. It's done. It's not looking the best. It's actually, yeah, but at least it's good. It's good. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this chaotic video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And we'll see you in another video. Bye!